we'll be discussing on the future of electric vehicles in India. Today, electric vehicles have become a move to automotive industries. Every company is launching or planning to launch electric vehicles. Around 3 years back, the Indian government had said that they would try to make electric vehicles run on the road by 2030 so that maximum pollution will be reduced. From trucks, cars, two-wheelers to three-wheelers, all would be electric. Now let us see the current electric vehicle manufacturing brands in India. Tata Motors, Hero Electric, Mahindra Electric, Okunawa Autotech Private Limited, Ampere Vehicles are the present manufacturers in India. And also recently Tesla have entered the Indian markets. But do you think electric cars will gain interest in India? Despite electric vehicles not being sold in India, reports have studied that there is rise in interest of people towards electric vehicles compared to the petrol-diesel vehicles. Due to this, there are various challenges that are faced by our country. Number one is of charging infrastructure. There are no proper power stations available across the countryside. Number two is battery performance. The third challenge is supply-demand gap. Despite people's interest in electric vehicles, there are few people who have adapted towards electric vehicles. So, maintaining the supply and demand gap is a challenge. And lastly, cost. The lithium-ion batteries required in electric vehicles are imported from other countries, which leads to rise in the cost of electric vehicles. So now, let us discuss some of the advantages of using an electric car over a fuel car. Number 1. Electric car will produce less noise pollution as compared to a fuel car. Number 2. There will be no fumes. Number 3. No direct greenhouse gas emission will be there. Number 4. No air pollution will be there. Number 5. Electric cars are perfect for short distances. And 6. Electric energy is cheaper as compared to fossil fuels. But how long will it take in India to switch towards electric vehicles? According to the reports, only 1% of total vehicles in India are electric vehicles, and 95 among them are two-wheelers, and the rest 5% are cars. Though India is lacking in resources, but industrialists believe that the shift will happen very soon, as seeing the interest of many startup companies in India. Let us now see how Government of India supports electric vehicles. Indian government has already announced its plans with phase 2 of FAME of electric vehicles. India has a total budget of 10,000 crores. In this budget, 62,000 electric cars and buses and a total of 15 lakh of two-wheelers and three-wheelers will be supported. Isn't that amazing? Therefore, let's see some of the cool upcoming electric cars that will be launched in India by 2021. Hyundai Kona, Jaguar I-Pace, Renault Kwid Electric, Audi e-tron, Tesla Model 3, Tata Altroz, Mahindra EKUV 100, Maruti WagonR, Volvo XC40 Recharge and Mahindra EXUV 300 will be launched soon in India. So let's compare the cost involved in electric vehicles with petrol, diesel and CNG vehicles. A petrol vehicle will cost around 9 rupees per kilometer, whereas a diesel vehicle will cost around 6 rupees per kilometer and CNG 2.5 rupees per kilometer. But can you guess how much would an electric vehicle cost? An electric vehicle will cost just around 1 rupees per kilometer. Now that's something pocket friendly. We hope you must have learned something new from this video. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.